Can you handle the truth? One of the biggest things every new YouTuber is challenged with is getting to that 1000 sub goals. What if I told you are wrong and you are focusing on the wrong thing? Don't get me wrong, subs are really good, but I want you to answer this question. Which would you rather prefer? A ton of views and a good watch time rate on your videos, or plenty of subs? Can't wait to see your response in the comment section of this video. To make a really good video, you need a lot of things, and that is how many of you have overlooked these very important details. Your intros. Here's why you should have a really good intro. Number one, to hook your viewers, and number two, to make them understand the purpose of your video and how it relates to them. In movies, do you see how they hook you from the very beginning and then you end up watching the entire thing? Yes, that is exactly what I'm talking about. In today's video, I want to share with you 20 pickup lines you can use 20 intros you can steal from this video and use for your next video. Of course, it's all for free. And at the end, I will expose an obvious strategy everyone has failed to notice in movie intros and how you can use them. Did you know that anytime you wake up in the morning and then you move around in your house, you are actually moving with your legs? What if I told you that ... What if I told you you have a second brain in your guts? Actually, this is true. Albert Einstein once said, you can use any famous person. Albert Einstein once said, Mr. Beast once said, in a world where ... in a world where gravity doesn't exist, how would you live your life? Get ready to have your mind blown by this stunning visual effect that will make you question reality. Why did ... win the award? Today, I'm going to show you how to ... make money while you sleep. I'll never forget the time you did what? I will never forget the time ... I met my hero and learned this secret to success. Okay, we need to talk about the elephant in the room and how it's affecting our society. Check out this crazy gadget that can turn your thoughts into reality, and something unexpected happened. Are you ready to ... Are you ready to level up your productivity with this catchy tune? Have you ever wondered ... what it would be like to live on Mars? Imagine a world where anything is possible and the impossible becomes possible. You won't believe what happened next. Some people say that the moon landing was fake, but what if I told you the truth? Watch as we ... transform this space in just 60 seconds. In a world of endless possibilities, what would you create? Can you handle the truth? Curious, intriguing intro. You might be surprised to learn that your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. And that is it. You have gotten 20 intros at your disposal. You watch movies, right? Check this movie out. Do you understand what this movie is about? Probably not. Do you know what is going to happen next? Probably not. But do you want to find out what is actually going on? Of course you do. Always make your viewers feel this way in every video, and you get both the subs and the viewers. You don't have to start your video with, hey, what's up guys, welcome to my video, subscribe to my channel and all of that. You can just start your video immediately. For example, you can go ahead and just be like, how come nobody ever noticed this thing? How are you expecting to operate this camera without watching this video? You don't have to be static. You're a human being. You're talking to a fellow human being. You're not talking to the algorithm. Just flow.